Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you get rid of your ads into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting content. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook, just simply click to these three bars into the top of your Facebook application. Step 2. Go to the Meta Account Center. Now after coming to your profile, you just simply have to click into this gear button into the top right side, and after going there, you can see Meta Account Center in top. Just simply click into that. Step 3. Select the Ad Preferences. Now you have to select Ad Preferences in here. Just simply click into that and this tab will be appeared. Now the catch here is you cannot turn off every ads into Facebook, but what you can do is make those ads which you don't like appear less into your feed into Facebook. To do that, just simply click into see all here and you can see all of the ad preferences. Just simply click into the ad preferences that you don't like to see that much, and after clicking into that one, you can get this see less option here. Just simply click into that. Then it will change your ad preferences and the selected topic will appear less into your home page of Facebook. You can do that to every ad preferences that you want to see less. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.